Most creators don't even know this, but TikTok professional account isn't just for show. It's your gateway to real money, real growth and real data. And no, this isn't some scammy get rich quick trick. This is legit and free. But still, you are using a personal TikTok account, bro, you are leaving money on the table. Like serious money. So hello everyone, welcome back to our new video and let's start the video. Alright, open your TikTok app first and then head to your profile. Then tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right. Then tap on the settings and privacy option and search for the account option. After you found it, click on it and tap on the switch to business account or switch your professional account. After clicking, you just enter your creator mode. And now the fun begins. With the professional account, you unlock analytics, so you will know exactly when your followers are most active, meaning you can post at the perfect time and skyrocket your views. Plus, you can add links to your bio, promote affiliate products, or even get brand deals. Yep, that's right. Brands only talk money with professionals, not personal profiles. So you also become eligible for TikTok creator tools like Creator Fund, promotions and ads. So that's it for this video, and switching to a professional account doesn't cost you $1. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye, see you all in the next video.